Sorry, I was just practicing our lesson for today, snoring. So here's the secret recipe for snoring. So the ingredients you're gonna need for this are these 3 mouths that we have on the paper already and 2 eye slits for closed eyeballs. For this lesson, we're going to be using this circle clay guy, but when you do this, you can use whatever character you are using in your animation. So step 1 says to vibrate for 15 pictures, tipping face back and forth every other picture. This means when you animate it, you're going to take a picture, tilt it a little bit that way, take a picture, tilt it a little bit this way, take a picture. This is going to simulate the part of the snore. Step 2 is to take 1 picture of the smaller mouth with the head tipping forward. So we're gonna switch out the mouth. And we tip his head forward a little bit. Step 3, replace the smallest mouth and move a little bit more forward. And tilt a little more forward. And then take 15 pictures of this pose. This will be the most forward position of his pose when he's going like. Step 4, tip head backwards with a medium mouth for 1 picture. So we're gonna replace it with the medium mouth and tilt him back a little bit. Step 5, tip the head even more back with the largest mouth. Then you're gonna bring him back into the original position. You can have him keep vibrating and do this whole thing over again, or you can copy and paste it or loop it when editing so he looks like this. So this is the basic snoring formula. Bone, animate.